How to fix smart lock not working in Moto G96. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps, and then click on see all apps, and scroll down and click on Google Play services. Now click on storage and cache, and here you can clear the cache memory of Google Play services. After clear the cache memory, then go back and click on system update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on system and click on reset options. Now click on reset app preferences and click on reset apps. After reset the app preferences, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.